What's up, YouTube? I appreciate all my followers that are joining in right now, or subscribers, I should say. And as you see by the title of this video, I'm a little distraught about how YouTube has been doing a lot of changes. And it's like they're hating on the little guy. And all these big YouTube channels that are out there, they had to start somewhere. And if it wasn't for the little bit of money that they might have been bringing in when they first started, then they might not have grown into the channel that they are. And they often start small, and then at some point they just take off. I don't know why YouTube's making all these changes. They're making it really hard for, the little guys like myself that are just starting and haven't really been in it long to grow their channel and actually make something good for themselves and put better content out. Because as you continue to create things on YouTube, you get more comfortable with what you're doing, you get better at what you're doing, you can buy better equipment, you can buy the tripods and the suction cup mounts and GoPros and but all those things you really can't afford to make a huge investment like that. We're not putting 100%. People like me, I've got a job that I have to go to every day, and I'm forced to make videos and stuff in my spare time, and it takes a lot of time to make some of these videos. There's hours of shooting and editing, like my last video on the hood scoop install. I mean, I have to keep stopping and changing up and video in different angles and making sure that the lighting's right and that you can see what I'm talking about. And then I've had videos before where I've started to do something and had to stop, undo what I did because I forgot to video it, and then go back and video it. So, I mean, there's a lot of time. And then there's the editing and adding in the arrows and the words and cutting and editing the video and stuff. And then it takes forever sometimes to upload these things to YouTube. I mean, so there's a lot of time and effort that you may not realize is put into all these videos. From the past year of trying to provide content and working on YouTube, I've probably made about 120, 130 bucks. And it took that entire amount of time to make it. So I took that money and I bought some Op7 switchback turn signals for the car that I currently own and put them on the car. So the money went right back into the channel. I didn't keep any of it. I'm not making enough to keep any of it. And my hope for the channel would be for one day it to support itself. As it grows, making a little bit more money, I would be able to buy more modifications and do more things, thus making more videos and be able to put more content out. And I've done some parody things. I've done some things that were humorous videos. I've done comparison videos, and I plan on doing more of those things. And I don't know what kind of vehicle I'm going to get next. I don't know if it's going to be a GT500 or another Scatpack or what. I might keep the car that I have for another year or two. I don't know. Those are just decisions that I'm going to have to make. But YouTube's just shutting us down. If you don't have 4,000 hours of watch time, which I'm over 5,100 hours of watch time in the past 12 months. So I meet that qualification. And the other qualification that's new is 1,000 subscribers. So, I mean, it takes time to get people to want to subscribe to your channel, especially if you're not doing crazy stuff. I mean, this is not going to be a channel where I'm out there doing donuts in the middle of the street or in Walmart parking lot. I mean, I'm in law enforcement. I just can't do those things. But it's installations, showing you in my eyes, the easiest way to install things, making sure I give you all the information that other people that are doing YouTube videos may or may not put in there. And I thought there was something lacking in those areas. Like for the Op7 turn signals, a lot of people were saying that, hey, you got to take your front bumper off to put those on. And I knew that wasn't going to be true. So I made a video about it. So things like that, comparison videos, or when other people say, hey, this product does this, and I don't think that it will do that certain thing, and I'll do a video about that. So all those things that happen, there'll be more funny stuff with the channel, but I just need to try to hit 1,000 subscribers before February the 20th. I don't think it's going to happen, but I mean, if you're not subscribed to my channel and you're watching this the first time, I mean, go ahead and just hit the subscribe button. Help me out. Even if you don't plan on watching every video, if you watch one video every 2 months, or one video a year even just that, having the subscriber extra will help me out towards the 1,000. So I can keep my monetization on the channel and be able to buy things. I mean, I still haven't even been able to afford to buy a tripod yet to do these videos. So I know that y'all are probably tired of hearing me talk. So tell everybody about my channel. If you want to help me out, share my channel with people that you think may be interested or just partially interested. You yourself, make sure you're subscribed. And if my channel is something that you want to know when I put out a video, then make sure you hit the bell icon next to it. If you don't want to know when I put out a video, you just want to be a ghost subscriber and every now and then check in and see what videos I have, then don't hit the bell. Just subscribe, and that way, every now and then it may suggest one of my videos. So I just kind of want to put that out there. I hope to get up, some thoughts and impressions, suggestions. I still want to make videos, and I still want to create content. Even if they take away my monetization, maybe it won't take me long to get to 1,000 the way I can get it back, because I'm well over the watch time hours for the past 365 days, and most of that's been within the past 6 months of when I really started to pick up on my videos. So that's all to you guys that are my subscribers that keep coming back watching. This is the first time that you've watched one of my videos. They're not all vlog talking stuff like this. There's a couple, but most of them is installations and stuff like that, and comparison videos and stuff like that I do. So go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that like button. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you guys are thinking. If you enjoy my videos and channels, just tell me. Let me know what's going on. And I really think YouTube's just kind of messing up here. And they're missing an opportunity to really open up a door for a lot of people with that 1,000 subscribers. I can understand you got to have 300, 500 subscribers. Okay, that's acceptable. But 1,000, it takes a long time to get 1,000 subscribers. Especially if you're not doing something crazy like jumping off of buildings or doing wild smoky burnouts in parking lots or in front of the police or something like that. It seems like it takes a long time to build up and make a good channel. So anyway, that's it for this video. I just wanted to do one real quick. I was actually on a break right now from work, but that's my thoughts and that's what's going on. I know a few folks have got emails, so that's it. I thank everybody for watching. Remember, I also have a Facebook page and an Instagram account for Project Lightning, so check those out as well. Thanks.